Is God one or three persons? Deuteronomy chapter 6 verse 4 tells us, Yahweh God is one person. Hear, Israel, Yahweh is our God. Yahweh is one, which means one person. If God was three persons, called the Trinity, Deuteronomy chapter 6 verse 4 would instead say, Hear, Israel, Yahweh is our God. Yahweh is three. Deuteronomy chapter 6 verse 4 is also confirmed by Jesus in Mark chapter 12 verse 29. Jesus answered, The foremost is, Hear this, O Israel. The Lord our God is one Lord, again, which means one person. Not three persons. If God was three persons called the Trinity, Jesus would have instead said, The foremost is, Hear this, O Israel. The Lord our God is three. To say and believe God is three persons is to believe in a false God, instead of the one true God. The one true God means what it says, the one true God, not the three true God. It was shown to you, so that you might know, that Yahweh is God. There is no one else besides him. Deuteronomy chapter 4 verse 35.